Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable mono audio on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again and go to audio and on-screen text section. So you can see here the mono audio. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And the mono audio is disabled. And to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this enable, combine channels when playing audio. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disable mono audio on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.